Experience the wonder.
Plano talaga rin namin talaga magka-baby na. So, masaya kami na nalaman ko na, ayun nga, dinadala ko na si Kate. Kasi dati, nung dalaga ko, ano lang ako, happy-go-lucky lang ako. Nalaman ko yung pagkakaroon ng unconditional love para sa anak ko.
Sa akin, marami kasi before, syempre, mga bisyo, I stop smoking. Ano na ako, more on family na compare dun sa mga friends, ganun. Sobrang laki ng changes, ganun.
And see it all. Discover the new, open our eyes. This is where our dreams come alive. I see the light, I hear the call. Discover it all. Discover.
Happy birthday, Kate. May apo, unika iha. Naway marami pang birthday ang dumating sa buhay mo at maabutan ko pa ang 18th birthday mo.
Always happy, maging mabait na anak sa Papa Jack mo and then Mama Kat mo. Enjoy kayo lagi sa paglalaro ni Jay.
That has been made, oh, we lift up our hands and see it all. Just stop and listen and feel again. It's time to breathe, it's time to begin. Oh, and this is the moment, here and now. Discover it all. Discover the new, open our eyes. This is where our dreams come alive. I see the
Kate, ano lang naman, put God first in everything you do. Keep believing in Him. Yung faith talaga importante. We are so blessed to have you as our daughter, our favorite enemy.
Kate, sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos. Just always listen to us, to your father, kasi we know what's best for you. Thank you for coming to our life, and we just feel so blessed to have a wonderful daughter like you.
discover it all. Discover it.
Please welcome ang bida ng saya at best friend ng lahat, John Lubin!
Discover the new, open our eyes. This is where our dreams come alive. I see the light, I hear the call. Discover it all.
Three, two, one, wow!
Experience a sight that's never been seen. Discover a feeling unlike anything. Oh, awake in the moment, here and now. Discover it all. And see.
Binabati ko aking pamangkin na si Kate. Naway, lalo siyang maging magaling sa eskwelahan, maging matalino, magmana sa amin lahat, wag kay papa niya.
Happy 7th birthday. Enjoy mo yung birthday mo. Sana lumaki kang mabuting bata. Happy birthday.
I see the light, I hear the call. Discover it all. Discover.
Always remember na your mama and papa are always here for you. Sa ups and downs mo, we are here for you. I love you, Kate. And happy birthday.
Nung dumating ka, mas lalong naging masaya kami. Sana hanggang pagtanda mo, maging close ka pa rin sa amin ng father mo. And we are just here to support you. Basta tama ang gagawin mo. I love you.
Discover the new, open our eyes. This is where our dreams come alive. I see the light, I hear the call. Discover it all. Discover.
First and foremost, I would like to thank God, syempre, kaya naging possible tong event na to. Sa lahat ng mga, sa family ko, sa in-laws, to my relatives, friends, thank you and God bless you all.
Thank you sa lahat ng pumunta. Thank you for such a good sport ng sumali kayo sa mga games, sa mga adults, sa mga kids. Thank you so much. We really appreciate it na nandito kayo kasama namin sa 7th birthday ni Kate. Thank you.
Discover it all.
Happy birthday, Kate.
Happy birthday, Kate.
Happy birthday, Kate.
Happy 7th birthday, Kate.
We love
We
you.
love you.
Happy birthday, Kate.
Discover it all.